Sometimes a nap is just the right thing to get your energy back. But for whatever reason, construction, it's hard to focus, it can be hard to tune out for just 5 minutes. This is where you might want to check out our white noise machine. With easy to use manual buttons, you can recreate a forest, rain, or other calming sounds without any other required apps.
So get zen today, or just get some Z's. Remember, items check out for 2 weeks, so create your calm space and get started on your meditation, napping, and relaxation today.